Due to inclement weather, pangit yung weather, we don't want to take any risk. Mabuti na palaging on the side of safety tayo and considering that we are flying via helicopter, ang recommendation talaga ng pilot is not to take risk kasi nakita nyo naman yung sobrang yung bagsak ng ulan kanina. Sayang nga si Jericho Rosales, our main endorser, talagang nangihinayang. But we'll try to have a motorcade tomorrow. Sa mga kababayan ko, mga Catanduanes, we don't want to disappoint you. Pero syempre, ang nangyari talaga is maraot sa panahon digdi sa Albay, sa syudad kan Legazpi, day makalayog sa helicopter na maatod ko ta kay Jericho Rosales. Let's see, kung magayon ang panahon sa agad, then we'll go. Salamat and salamat sa inyong pag-intindi. As in, padagos ng suporta sa Ako Bicol Party List.
First of all, hi guys, this is Echo. We were supposed to fly kasi sa Virac today for a concert para sa Ako Bicol, pero unfortunately the weather is not good and we were not allowed to fly by the weather. And kami naman, nung dumating ako kanina dito at 11 o'clock or 11 something, we were on standby to fly na. Pero wala ulan ng ulan, the pilot recommended to stay na lang for safety. I am very, very sad na hindi ako matuloy today to sing for you guys, but I'm very, very positive naman na makakabalik ako and makakapag-perform ako para sa mga taga-Virac. Just not today, but kita-kita tayo ulit some other time. We wanna thank you for your support sa Ako Bicol. Ako din, syempre. And I'm also a supporter of Ako Bicol. And yeah, all the best to us. You guys stay safe. And yeah, all the best to everybody. And I'll see you guys soon. Ako Bicol 131 sa Balota, okay?